Okay guys, so today we are unboxing a Dyson vacuum that I got from the Dyson outlet store on eBay. I'm very excited about this. This is my first Dyson vacuum. I had purchased a hairdryer over the Christmas break and I was so impressed with it that I thought, hey, I absolutely want a vacuum. So my darling husband is here with me and he is going to do the unboxing and then whatever assembly we have to do for this awesome vacuum. So let's go.
I just wanted to start by complimenting you with the great backdrop you've chosen for your video.
What, your legs?
Oh, it's very nice.
This is profesh, honey.
Yeah, it's some quality shit.
Hey, watch the language. That's really taped down, isn't it?
I'm just very weak.
Okay. Oh wow. So what I've noticed with Dyson, because I did buy a hairdryer from them, is they package everything really well. So, whoa, there it is. There's the brain.
It's like a space alien.
Yeah. Oh. Oh wow, it's really packaged nicely. Buying it on the Dyson eBay store. So it's a refurbished model, so it could have been on a showroom floor, or it could have been, you know, there was something wrong with it and then their engineers fixed it. And usually you're paying anywhere between 50 to 60% less than what it would cost at the store. This is a smaller model. I will leave the link for this in the notes if you guys want to check it out. But I just thought I really wanted to try this because I was so impressed with the hairdryer and I thought, man, it's time to step it up with this beauty. So these are the doodads that go with it. We have a really high for the hand. What's that called? A handle. Little goodies there. We've got this thing. And I have very fine, long hair, like really long hair, and I tend to break vacuums. So it'll be very curious how much hair gets stuck in there with my hair. So we're gonna assemble this thing now. You got that because you've ruined everything with your cat fur, both of you. Oh, it just snaps right in.
I guess.
We got these two little doodads too to put on the. Gotta put that guy on the very top. Okay, so my husband just put that on top now, and now he's putting the second piece in. It's not seeming to take a very long time to put this together, so. Oh, so that's like a telewand, eh? That goes higher and lower?
I guess.
So it's like, oh, and look, then this thing like closes. That's really cool. I don't think Suzu's really gonna like it when we turn this thing on. Oh, that's to get to the... It's kind of looking more like a vacuum right now. Okay guys, so here's the vacuum all assembled. And it's looking, I think it looks very sleek. It's very, very sleek. You know, for a vacuum, it's very nice looking. And I think this guy was like $175, shipping included. It was shipped from Buffalo. So I'm gonna just vacuum my little hallway there and we'll see how I do. And I'm wearing 2 different color socks today because it's that kind of a day. And then we'll see how this thing works. I'm gonna start it up. guys, so as you saw, I did that little hallway, and look at that inside of there. So I'm having one of these moments of, I think I've been living in filth for a really long time. So I'm really going to enjoy using this new vacuum. It has a lot of power. Right off the cuff, I'm noticing like the motor or whatever it is inside of here, it is powerful. They are not playing around. So I am going to vacuum the rest of my living room. I have a lot of carpet upstairs, and I will show you how I'm probably going to fill up this whole container, but I think that's like most of Suzu in there. So I will be back in a couple. Okay guys, so 3 rooms later, this is what we have. Oh my gosh, it's a lot of dirt. And yeah, I guess we've been living in filth. A lot of pet hair and a lot of cat litter that I've been picking up. So loving this vacuum, totally worth $175, and I hope you guys have enjoyed this review. Bye. Some nice sound effects are happening.
This is me not caring.
That's really nice.
Yeah.
Suzu always cares. This is the vacuum, assembled in its glory.